Reward apps that pay via Venmo don't actually send money instantly in most cases. They queue withdrawals through internal processing systems before the funds hit your Venmo balance. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps that support Venmo cashouts, how the payout pipeline actually works, and what causes delays even after your balance already looks withdrawable. Start with how Venmo payouts actually work inside reward apps. Most apps don't connect directly to Venmo in real time. Instead, they process your request internally first, then send funds through a payment provider that eventually deposits into your Venmo account. So the real speed depends on back-end approval, not the app interface. First category is game reward apps with Venmo withdrawal support. These apps let you earn through gameplay, then convert points into cash that can be sent to Venmo after reaching a minimum threshold. Second category is cashback reward apps. These apps connect purchases to rewards, then allow cashouts through Venmo once transactions are confirmed by retailers. Third category is survey and task apps. These apps support Venmo in many regions, but payouts depend heavily on survey validation and completion verification before funds are released. Fourth category is offer wall reward apps. These apps aggregate multiple advertisers, and Venmo payouts only happen after advertiser confirmation clears the completed task. Fifth category is hybrid reward platforms. These apps combine games, surveys, and cashback systems, and Venmo becomes just one of several withdrawal options depending on how you earned your balance. Now here's what actually affects how fast Venmo payouts arrive. Verification delays are the biggest factor. If an app checks identity or task completion manually, payments slow down immediately. Payment batching is another factor. Some apps don't send individual withdrawals right away, they group them into scheduled payouts. And platform routing matters as well. The more intermediaries between the app and Venmo, the longer the delay before money shows up. So having Venmo as a payout option doesn't guarantee instant transfers. It only defines where the money ends up after processing is complete. Summary: reward apps that pay via Venmo still rely on internal approval systems. Payout speed depends on verification, batching, and payment routing. Venmo is the destination, not the payout engine. Next step: test one Venmo-supported reward app and track how long it takes from withdrawal request to actual deposit before committing more time. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.